All right, we are here on a sweltering Thursday. Now, if you're watching just for fun, bless your heart. But if you're watching because you're one of my students and you score like, I mean, y'all are going to have so many days of review and you have an orange sheet. So I'm expecting great things. And I know some of y'all are like, challenge accepted. I'm going to fail on purpose. Okay. No bueno. All right. So, as I said yesterday, as I was passing these out, this handout that you got yesterday, that Sprite Pink, is the same format of the test. And it's funny because as soon as I passed it out, I had people say, how many questions are on the test? I'm surprised I haven't had to bump up my blood pressure medicine. I mean, it's like seriously, I kind of wish we would take like one of those field trips. Like we used to take field trips when we were in elementary school, and we would actually go to a working farm, and they would have like an electric fence, like don't touch the electric fence. I wouldn't warn some people. I would just let it happen. Just let them figure it out. Just free range. Okay, you can't say that. All right, finding slope, man. Y'all just have it. Y'all have it so good. Y'all don't even know because I gave y'all. Look, I told you, your test is going to be set up like your notes. I copied stuff from the notes, so all you have to do is plug it in. Okay? Now, remember, on the calculator, now it's pretty sad. I can barely hear myself. Y'all doing all that other stuff again where y'all are talking and not letting me in the conversation, which is rude, so y'all just wait till I'm done. Okay? Don't make me start calling you out on YouTube. All right, negative 2. Okay, so I tell you what to use for this point. I don't tell you like x1 equals this, y1 equals this. But you can do this. Wow. Okay. Now, you get 4 points for doing this part in green. You get another 4 points for doing what I'm about to highlight. This right here. That's 4 points. So it's almost like I want you to set it up correctly. Isn't that crazy? Now, funniest question I had yesterday, Mr. Jeffries, what's slope intercept form? They actually had the answer. They'd actually had done it over there. They just didn't. Okay, so on that highlighter again. Y minus 7. All right, so negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. And then we add a 7. All right, so our slope intercept is this right here. Okay, again, another 4 points. Now, believe it or not, each of these 4 point things, those are actually part of y'all standards. Can you do this? Can you do this? Can you do this? So I'm checking that box as we go. I just don't have like 8 problems of finding slope, 8 problems of doing point slope, and 8 problems of slope intercept, and 8 different problems of graphing. Okay, less is more except for close. All right, now y-intercept 13. Again, in true Jeffries form, I gave you y-intercept you couldn't really graph. Awesome. All right, slope is a fraction. Negative 2 over 1. Get 2 points for that. 2 points here, 2 points here. You get 2 points for doing this because we're going to go down 2 because it's negative. And to the right 1. Now, voice crack. So, if, how many of y'all didn't graph this because you couldn't get the y-intercept on there? And it's totally okay if you didn't. Okay, thank you for the one person. Even if you lied and said I didn't graph it, thank you. All right, so let's use that gray thing between our ears. The human brain is gray until it's exposed to oxygen, then it turns pink. Okay, so all right, so 13 would be up here somewhere, right? Well, maybe if I could write up there, if it would let me. Okay, I can write backwards. All right, so 13 is up here. All right, our slope is negative 2. So let's think about this. So if we went down 2 to 11, then over 1, we'd have a dot right there, right? Sure. Awesome. Okay. But if we kept going, from here, it'd be down 2 over 1. So it'd be right here at 9. Now we're on a grid. Now things seem happy, happy, joy, joy. Down, down. Almost through the points. And there you go. Okay. Now, I will double and triple check to make sure this doesn't happen on the test. It's better that it happened on the pre-practice test. Okay. Only reason I did this is because we've had graphs before where it won't actually like touch the y-intercept, and it says what's the equation of the graph. Like y'all have to take the pre-ACT here in October. It's it's just a little extra the thing of like how to actually think about it instead of just saying, "Oh, I'm confused." I give up. I surrender. No. All right. Has anybody ever seen the movie The Never Ending Story? Okay, for 2 people, good job. 3. All right, they're getting attacked by the nothing. Okay, I think now we're getting attacked by the stupid. Okay, so we need Falcor, the cool dog-looking dragon, to come and help. Yes, yes, you can use the bathroom. Some of y'all might have heard of the movie Never Ending Story if you watch Stranger Things, because that is what Dusty Buns has to sing to his girlfriend, his Susie Poo. That cracks me up, just because our kids were like, "What's this movie?" And we just happened to have it, so we watched it. And my wife and huh? No, they were like, "This is lame." I'm like, "It's in the '80s. Just chill out, man." Yeah, the horse. Yes, Atreyu. No, Artax. All right, so X1, Y1. So 4, 3, and 1. Doop 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 doop. Y minus 4 equals. All right, 1 times x is x. Now, you can put a 1x there, that's fine. All right, 1 times negative 3 is awesome, negative 3. Answer, everybody. So, add 4 So 1x, or you just write x minus 3. The only reason I'm putting the 1 right there is until you get used to knowing that that's an understood 1, that's fine. Okay? Wow, I wrote slope-intercept twice. What is that about? Oh, because I didn't use my gray thing. I was attacked by the stupid. All right. No, I got distracted about why I had another slope-intercept thing right there. Digital whiteout. So when we're doing this, we have a y-intercept of 1. Slope as a fraction is 1 over 1. I go up 1 to the right 1. Okay, we got lots of 1s. So I'll go right there. Over 1, up 1. And then draw the line. There we go. All right. Now, do y'all think you need to put arrows on your graph when you graph the line? Do you think you need to put yeah, you do. Don't put hearts. I know some of y'all want to. I'm talking to Trace Amigas right here in front. That just seems like something girly frou-frou y'all would do, y'all three. All right. Now, that was only 2 problems. Granted, it's only 2 problems, but there's multiple different steps. Okay? Because I have seen tests, not given by me, but given by other teachers, that they would give you these 2 points and they would only test you on the graph. Why not give you these 2 points and test you on everything else while we have you? That makes more sense to me. See, this would be the time as y'all are writing notes that if I had a sponsor who's like, today's lessons brought to you by, with my 145 subscribers, I don't know if I'd get a real whole lot of sponsors. All right. So, this is from yesterday. So, x-intercept. The x value, not 2x. Like my arm had a spasm. All right. You take the x value, set it equal to this. I divide. What is 21 divided by 7? 3. So x equals 3. Do you have to write it as x equals 3? Yes. Because, you know why? Because I am. All right, for the y-intercept, 3y equals 21. I'm glad that's not a thing anymore. And we divide. So we have our 2 points. Okay, see if I can move myself. All right, so 7 would be here. 3 would be here. and the line would go through here. All right. Why do y'all think y'all have more problems on the X and Y intercepts than y'all do on the other stuff? Yeah, less steps. Also, a lot of times, uh, these standardized tests, they'll give you stuff in this and want you to pick out the graph. So if you know how to find the X and Y intercepts, is the easy one because you don't have the graph. You just got to know what the right one looks like. All right, number 4. So 9x equals 18. Divide by 9, divide by 9. So x equals 2. Negative 3y equals 18. Y equals negative 6. All right, so how many of these did y'all end up having? Is it 6 or 4? Never mind. I'll figure it out. Okay, thank you. That's number 4. Just doing the same process. X equals 6. Negative 5. For sure. For sure. For sure. Yep. Wait, did it go 4 to 7? Huh. That's funny. Yeah, the test I gave last fall over this looks nothing like this. Well, it looks partly like it, but not a whole lot. I think this test is much better. All right. This problem, it says number 8. It's the last one on the page. This is the hardest problem on the whole paper. Okay? Super duper difficult. You don't have to solve anything. All right. That was the last one, right? Yeah. I thought that I thought I saw an 8 somewhere when I was making this yesterday, and I was like, wait, did I misnumber or did I give them 6 problems of this on the back? But I just misnumbered. That's easy to do. Numbers are hard. All right. So now, if you had some mistakes, hopefully it wasn't super duper crazy big mistakes. Okay. But we're going to learn from them. And you're about to get another. Well, you already have one. So y'all are going to be working on that. Okie dokie. For those that are in my class, tomorrow I have to be absent. Tomorrow 8:30. Today is 8:29. For those that don't know, y'all will have a review assignment for in Schoology for a grade. Thank you for calling Mr. Jeffers class. Your caller number 1 of the day. I sure do. I sure can. Uh huh. All right. It's for a grade. That means you must do it. There's 4 attempts, guys. Okay. So Monday, there's no school for Labor Day. Tuesday, yet another day of review. And Wednesday is going to be our Unit 3 test, and you can actually do Unit 2 retakes in class. All right. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.